At this time when the entire market is going down, number of my friends are asking me what to do. Either we have to convert the assets in any stable currency or should we wait? And in last, is there any plan where if we are going to invest something or buy any altcoin which will cover our all losses? So here comes the solution for our every subscriber, a altcoin on BSC scan that will be 1000x soon. As per my own idea, it will be bigger than Dogecoin and SafeMoon, and in some days it will give us up to 1000x. If you want to know more about this hidden gem, then stay tuned with us soon. I think after maximum 30 or 40 minutes about this video, then this coin will be listed on the PancakeSwap exchange, so easily you can purchase the token directly from there. Stay tuned.
Feel uninvited.
Killmoon is a BSC scan token, and easily you can purchase this token on the PancakeSwap exchange in hardly 1 hour. And the team is going to share the contract address on the Twitter main page, so you must have to follow them, and soon you will receive the tweet about the contract address, and then you can purchase the token directly from the PancakeSwap exchange. The best part of the Killmoon that the team did an honest start. No pre-sales, airdrop allocation, everyone is on equal terms. Now something more that will definitely pump the price of this token entirely big and huge. As for my own idea, it will definitely cross SafeMoon, Shiba Inu, and even will surpass, but not now. At least it will take up to, you can say, 1 year or 1.5 years. Then definitely the Killmoon, the token, the altcoin will definitely surpass the price of the Dogecoin. So basically that is a decentralized exchange. Now something important from the dev side, that they share something with the community that we clearly understand and see how the world is changing towards the decentralization DEX. Only through the decentralization can you become truly free in all plans, and most importantly, financially. That is why the team already developed the own decentralized exchange for the Killmoon, which is already being tested. It means that very soon you will be able to trade the Killmoon token on the DEX exchange that basically made by the Killmoon team. Now all holders, for example, after this video you are going to purchase this token, as I told you, on 8th June at about in hardly 1 hour, the token will be listed on the PancakeSwap exchange, so you can easily purchase it. So all the holders receive the rewards, and the quantity of their token increases every time when someone buys or sells the token on a network. For example, I'm not talking about the Killmoon. For example, if you are going to buy any type of cryptocurrency, ABC, DEC, any, then you just have to hold that very cryptocurrency for 1 year, 1.5 years, and then if the price will increase, then you can sell out that token. But in Killmoon, the entire idea, the entire project is entirely different. That, for example, after this video, if you are going to purchase the Killmoon token, then on every transaction, on every buying and selling, you will get some extra amount of the Killmoon tokens. And the main mission of the Killmoon is to prove the kung fu and rip all the meme coins of the planet into pieces. That is such a great thing about this one. And here you can see the website. I will share the link of the website, so easily you can check entire thing. And the best part, you must have to follow them on the Twitter, because very soon they are going to share the contract address. 8th of June 2021 at 4 p.m. UTC, the token will be listed on the PancakeSwap exchange. So as per my own idea, I'm not a financial advisor, you must have to take the entry in this token before anyone else. Then at least you will make some good amount of profit. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button and also share it with some of your friends, and soon I'm going to share a new giveaway from our side with everyone. Thanks a lot.